Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not on the front doors. Let's get started with the left side door. Open the door and right there is a switch. All you have to do is just push it down to activate the feature. I can still open the door from outside. However, on the inside, no matter what I do, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I cannot open the door. So I'm just going to slide out over here and open the door on the right side because we did not activate the feature here yet. Now let's just open the left side door from outside, push it up to deactivate the feature. I can still open from outside, and inside, when it's in lock position I cannot open, but unlock position I can open the door. Repeating the process for the right side door, same thing, same everything, just push the switch down to activate the feature. I can open from outside. However, from the inside, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door. So let's just try this out. And yeah, I cannot open. So what am I going to do? You already know it. I'm going to slide out over there and open the door because we deactivate the feature there. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate the feature separately on both the doors so the child doesn't just accidentally get out of the car and cause trouble. For now, let's just go over here and open this door and get out of the car. Open the right side door, push the switch up to deactivate the feature. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside, when it's in the lock position I should not be able to open, but unlock position I can open, and that's good. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me just give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.